In this video I'm going to show you how to reveal a text using CapCut video editor. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is we have to add the text to our video. So let's take a look at this video with no text. Here you can see the bus is passing, there's no text. So navigate to text, default text, and drag and drop this box right here, right above our video. Now adjust the duration of the text to match our video like this. Click on the text box, navigate here to the right hand side and type in the text. So in this case I'm typing in London. Increase the font, you can apply the style here as well. Okay, so once you do that, what you have to do next is go to menu here, file, and export this video to your PC. So basically you need a video like this with the text on the top. Okay, so once you create the video with text on top and you also have the original video with no text, what you have to do next is first of all add the video with no text to the video track, and then add the video with the text here at the top. Click on the video with the text, navigate to video, mask, horizontal, and now you can see that the screen has been split into half, the video with no text and the video with the text. So what you have to do next is adjust this little wheel and position this vertically and move it to the right hand side. Now go here to the videos, take the cursor and move the cursor to the point where we see the end of the bus. So basically at this point here, move the cursor slightly back, where this is the point where we will start revealing the text. So I'm gonna add the keyframe here and then move the cursor through the timeline, adjust this line here manually. So I'm gonna move it to meet the end of the bus here, add keyframe, move the cursor a little further, adjust this line again to meet the end of the bus, add keyframe, and just keep doing that for the next few frames. Okay, just a few more letters. This. And the last one. Here. Okay. And now if you go to the beginning of this video and I hit play, there we go. It looks as if we are revealing the text as the bus moves. And that's it.